Hello everyone. Imagine every smartphone, helmet, kitchen appliance, or packaged food item proudly carrying a Made in India label. But how do we ensure these products are not only made in India, but also high quality, safe, and globally competitive? This is where BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, comes in. BIS ensures that Indian-made products meet national and international standards, giving consumers confidence and helping Indian manufacturers compete globally. Now, what is BIS? BIS is India's national standards body responsible for developing, implementing, and monitoring quality standards across products and services, from electronics and food items to textiles and construction materials. BIS ensures safety, reliability, and quality. Its certifications, including ISI marks, hallmarking, and product-specific certifications, serve as trust marks for both consumers and businesses. Now, the Make in India, Driving Manufacturing Excellence, launched in 2014. Make in India aims to transform India into a global manufacturing hub, boost industrial growth, generate jobs, and reduce import dependency. To succeed, locally manufactured goods must be safe, reliable, and globally acceptable. BIS plays a crucial role here by ensuring that Indian products adhere to quality standards, helping startups and established manufacturers innovate while maintaining safety and compliance. For instance, an electric scooter startup in Pune can use BIS certification for battery safety and vehicle performance, making its products attractive both domestically and internationally. Now let's discuss about Atmanirbhar Bharat, building self-reliance. Through quality, Atmanirbhar Bharat or Self-Reliant India focuses on reducing import dependency and promoting indigenous production. But self-reliance isn't just about producing locally. It is about producing trusted, high-quality, globally competitive products. BIS enables this by certifying critical products, encouraging domestic industries to adopt best practices, and supporting MSMEs and startups to scale safely. During the COVID-19 pandemic, BIS certified PPE kits, masks, and sanitizers reduced import reliance while ensuring safety standards. BIS certifications, boosting consumer confidence. BIS certifications such as ISI marks, hallmarks, and product-specific certifications provide assurance to consumers and businesses that products are safe and reliable. ISI marks in electronics and automotive parts, hallmarking in jewelry, and certifications for toys, helmets, packaged foods, and medical devices all help promote trust and encourage the consumption of Indian-made products. For example, a toy manufacturer in Ludhiana can use BIS certification to market products as safe for children, opening doors to domestic and international markets. Supporting startups and MSMEs. BIS empowers the startups and MSMEs by reducing market entry barriers, providing a trusted quality mark, and offering digital tools like online certification, e-hallmarking, and QR code verification. For instance, a solar panel startup in Jaipur using BIS certification can assure buyers of product safety and performance, facilitating faster adoption and scaling. This not only boosts business growth, but also strengthens India's self-reliance in key sectors. BIS as the backbone of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. BIS is more than a regulator. It is a catalyst for growth, innovation, and trust. From startups to global manufacturers, BIS ensures India doesn't just make products, but makes quality products that consumers trust worldwide. Next time you see a Made in India label, remember, behind it is BIS, ensuring that India is self-reliant, safe, and globally competitive. The true power of standards driving Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.